Hello curious people, you want to treat your pancreas naturally? Well, you are in the right place. Let's start first with where the pancreas is located. The pancreas can be found across the back of the abdomen, behind the stomach. One part of the pancreas is cradled in the curve of the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. The pancreas is a multitasker, it is an exocrine and an endocrine gland. Being an endocrine gland, the pancreas manufactures special blood messengers or hormones that go into the blood system. One such hormone is the very well-known insulin. Anyone with diabetes knows the importance of insulin. The digestive enzymes of the pancreas break down everything that we eat, proteins, fats and carbohydrates, into small particles that are absorbed into our gut's wall. From there, these food particles get into our blood so that our bodies can use the food for cellular energy, building our cells, feeding our bodies with nutrients, minerals, and vitamins. You can eat healthy, organic, wonderful food, but it will not matter if the pancreas is not working correctly. All the nutrients, minerals, and trace elements that the body needs will not be entering the bloodstream properly. If a person continually works overtime, is stressed and malnourished, burnout is fast approaching. This individual will become exhausted, sick, and weak. The same things happen to the pancreas when it is not working correctly. Here are some factors that cause the pancreas to be overworked and not function effectively. In the fast-paced world that we live in, more people eat processed food that is easy to order and eat without taking too much time. But many of these processed foods do not have living natural enzymes. The absence of living enzymes in food forces the pancreas to work harder and produce more of its own digestive enzymes to digest food properly. Today, most people are acidic. Whole-body acidity destroys the pancreas in many ways. In the hectic modern world, many people have an alcoholic drink to decompress. However, alcohol is the archenemy to the pancreas. The pancreas is such a vital organ to overall health. Some key points from this video are worth highlighting. With all digestive disorders, the pancreatic function has fallen, it is not working optimally. When the pancreas is producing low quality and less than the needed amount of pancreatic digestive enzymes, several symptoms can appear. Some of these symptoms are abdominal pain, nausea, belching, heartburn, abdominal cramps, gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, etc. Pancreatic disorders with low pancreatic function are more common than you might think. Experts found that 13% of people who died from various causes exhibited pancreatic disease. They may not have known that they had a pancreatic illness when they died. The earlier you start to treat pancreatic disorders, the better. Early detection and treatment can yield positive results and significant healing for a person. Alternative medicine may offer various, evidence-based, scientific, time-proven healing methods such as eating an alkalized, healing diet, drinking healing mineral water, using acupuncture, taking herbs, having chiropractor manipulations and abdominal massage. The key to success with your pancreatic needs is to work with a knowledgeable licensed specialist or team of specialists. Taking nutritional supplements. Participating in medical hypnosis, meditation, relaxation techniques. What to not eat if you have pancreatitis. Red meat. Organ meats. Fried foods. Fries and potato chips. Mayonnaise. Margarine and butter. Full-fat dairy. Pastries and desserts with added sugars. If you're trying to combat pancreatitis, avoid trans fatty acids in your diet. Fried or heavily processed foods, like French fries and fast food hamburgers, are some of the worst offenders. Organ meats, full-fat dairy, potato chips, and mayonnaise also top the list of foods to limit. If you want to know how to cure both types of diabetes, you can check out my first link in the description. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more useful information about have a healthy life. Peace.